The next scenario is your teammate came. So say suppose your teammate is Amit, and Amit came and informed you that hey, yeah, the managers are like this is coming from the testing team. The testing team is saying that hey, you have orders for which I can't find. They are not able to find transactions. You will say, hey, how is this possible? You're saying that order is placed, but there's no transaction entry there. Because if an order is placed, there has to be a transaction entry. How can there be an order which does not have a transaction entry? But they're saying, no, that is there. Please validate and tell us which are those orders which do not have a transaction entry. Right? So how to solve this? This seems to be a simple problem. I think it's the one of the ways which comes to our head. Can anybody would like to take a shot at it? How should I find out the records or the orders which are not there in transaction statement? Let's make a try. So we have what we're looking for is we want to know the order ID from the orders table where order ID simple, not in, right? And we know that in not in we can always return a list of values, correct? And in SQL in SQL, the list of values is nothing but a column. And that's exactly what we're going to write is a column subquery. So all we can write is select and since we're talking about transaction will have repeated entry, right? So we can write select distinct order ID from transactions. And let's see if this really is true or not. And execute it. See, there are 51 orders which do not have an entry in transactions. Whatever may be the reason this has gone bad, but this is sort of an investigation we have done, and we will report all these order IDs and we find out to investigate that what happened to these orders. Please trace it back and get the appropriate transaction entries done in the transactions table. It can't happen. It can't happen from front end. Some back end, somebody has messed up and this situation has come. So what we have used here is we have used what we call it as a column subquery. Because all it is going to return is a single column or list of values. That's column subquery for you.